Welcome to Eventbrite.com. Is it actually safe to use, or just a digital headache waiting to happen? Let's find out. This platform claims to be the ultimate tool for creating, promoting, and managing events of all sizes, from tiny workshops to massive concerts. Because apparently, humans can't even gather in a park anymore without a QR code and a processing fee. Lately, though, a lot of users have been wondering if the platform is still legit or if it's lost its way. So stay tuned as we break down the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's start with the positives, because we like to be optimistic before the disappointment sets in. Eventbrite's domain was created way back in January 2006. In internet years, that makes them practically prehistoric. Usually, sticking around for nearly 2 decades implies stability and credibility, or at least that they've mastered the art of survival. They also boast a massive social media presence with over 386,000 followers on Facebook and 212,000 on Instagram. It's a huge audience that suggests they are active and transparent, though we all know a high follower count is often just a very loud way to ignore people. Another point in their favor is the leadership. Eventbrite doesn't hide behind a faceless algorithm. They openly list Julia Hartz as their co-founder and CEO. Having an actual human being to point a finger at adds a layer of authenticity and accountability that's rare in the wild west of online platforms. They even provide a direct contact number and an official email for customer support. It's a nice touch that shows a willingness to communicate, even if communicating usually involves being put on hold for 40 minutes of elevator music. Now, let's talk about the numbers versus the reality. Eventbrite claims to have hosted over 4.7 million events in nearly 180 countries in 2024, which sounds incredibly impressive on a slide deck. However, if you take a stroll through the dark corners of Reddit, the story takes a turn. Many users are sounding the alarm, claiming the platform has been withholding payouts and ignoring support requests. It seems their favorite hobby lately is deleting negative comments on social media, because if you can't see the fire, it's not actually burning. Right? Beyond the missing money, there are reports of overbilling and sudden account bans that leave organizers frustrated and broke. The general consensus is that while the platform used to be the gold standard, its reliability has gone downhill faster than a cheap souvenir. So, the big question, is Eventbrite.com legit? Well, yes. It's a long-established, verified company with a global footprint. But the mounting complaints about payouts and poor support are massive red flags. It's not a scam, but it's definitely becoming that one friend who forgets their wallet every time the bill comes. Be extremely cautious, especially with large events. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews that don't sugarcoat the truth.